Hey guys, Fake Wojo here. Trading day, Monday, December 9th. As I kind of planned my trading strategy, it's looking like it's working out. As we talked about in other plans, other scenarios, there's a lot of gap action back here in July, a lot of stalling out, a lot of low volume when it was stalling out, heading back towards 18. 18 is a definite support right here, and we're coming down. Um, I have this one moving average that I really like. It's an EMA, and what it was doing is hitting its head above on the ceiling, and it wouldn't get above that ceiling. When the MACD turns and turns upwards, something like that, something like this, hopefully that price action will jump up on top of that EMA and ride it up, just as it did right here. Probably a little bit smoother than it did right here. But hopefully, again, as today, it is. It jumped up above that moving average, which is a good sign, a bullish sign. MACD is about to turn, another bullish sign. And our volume. Our volume has been way below average, and the trend was selling. So the below average, the sellers are just drying up. The other thing, I do believe it's a lot of algos. I think this is computer trading here. Way back a couple months ago, we had this beautiful Elliott wave theory of a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, and I think we're doing that again. And I'm sure, in my opinion, the computers might be picking that up, so it'll probably do the same thing. It'll come back down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go up to maybe 21, 20, 88, and come back down to 18. At that point, when it hits 2085, somewhere around there, I'll bail, but then I'm gonna watch 18. If it breaks through 18 and craters as it says it's going to do in a 10-year chart, the next support is 9. So I'm buying a monster box here, and I've set aside some money to buy a monster box at 9. But for what I'm seeing, again, we will get up to 20, again, 88, 2075, something like that. Set a price that you know it'll go through, because if it doesn't, if it doesn't fill, it's not gonna. You have to go through your price to fill. Um, that's just common sense. But here we are, live trading here, and oh, this is another interesting thing. Again, it's gapping up, it's gapping down, it's gapping up, it's gapping up again, but it's consolidating. What I think is, again, it jumped up above that EMA, what I showed you on that other chart, so it was consolidating down, symmetrical pendant, and it gapped up to go above the EMA, and we're going to ride that up to 2088, in my opinion. So I'll probably ride this up 2088, sell, get out, and then as we talked about before, um, if QE happens, we're going to crater this thing down to 9. If it doesn't happen, it's just a house of cards. We're going to have to do something. And I don't think Bernanke's going to do anything on his watch. He's going to hand it over to somebody else to do. So we'll probably see this thing channeling sideways until QE tapers, and then it'll crater. I really don't think it's going to go higher, move higher. But again, my opinion. That is all. Talk to you guys later.